these errors account for the third leading cause of death in the United States. It's equivalent to a jumbo jet 747 fully loaded with passengers and crashing every night. Yet, the mass doesn't even recognize these numbers because we depend on the media. CNN today will air a headline news if an aircraft skidded off the runway due to bad weather with no casualty, because this is news. FAA requires a root cause analysis on every bad event, with a review in its policies, procedures, guidelines, and modifications after every event. What is even more disappointing, healthcare industry does not even recognize that these numbers exist. This will never change unless we recognize that 99% is not good enough in healthcare. This is not new data point. IOM in 1999 came out with its first report on medical errors. 20 years later, we still have the same number of deaths. When we do a root cause analysis of errors, 80% of these errors can be identified at the critical decision-making point. It is that junction where a decision can be made to go right or left. What can we do to make an impact? Guidelines, policies, procedures, the methodology on dispensing medications, electronic medical record, having hard stops with certain care points. Healthcare industry as a whole needs to be committed to a culture of zero tolerance. Otherwise, we'll have the same errors 10 years from now. Right patient, right medication, right dose. Is that asking too much? It's the right thing to do. Aviation industry has figured this out. The culture of zero tolerance. Aviation industry has adopted this culture of zero tolerance. As healthcare industry, we can do the same.